Hello kids, welcome back to our EVS class. So do you remember what you learnt in your previous class? You learnt about our resources. Now tell me, what are natural resources? Natural resources are the resources which are found in or produced by nature. Natural resources are the resources which are found in or produced by nature. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज वो रिसोर्सेज हैं जो नेचर में या तो पाई जाती हैं या नेचर में प्रोड्यूस होती हैं. So these are not man-made resources. Example: hills, forests, rivers, seas, all are natural resources. We find water in oceans, seas, rivers, streams, lakes and ponds. There is more water on earth than land. All these water bodies are very important to us. We get seafood from the oceans and seas. We also use these water bodies for transportation. Then many kinds of rocks and minerals are found on the earth. The rocks break down to form sand and soil. This is how we get soil. When the rocks break down, it forms sand and soil. Forests are a group of trees covering vast areas of land. They are the homes of wild animals. You can find many wild animals in forest. Different types of trees grow in the forest. We get wood, paper and medicines from the tree. Where do we get wood and paper and medicines from? We get wood, paper and medicines from the tree. The tree in the forest also make the air pure by giving out the oxygen. Plants, rocks, lands and water are some of the nature's gift to us. Then we also learnt about man-made resources. Man-made resources means resources which are made by man. We use many man-made objects like books, clothes, toys, shoes, desks and benches every day. Roads, railways, national parks, airplanes, buildings, monuments, factories, canals and dams are also made by man. These are not natural resources. These are not produced by nature. These are produced by or made by man. Roads, railways, national parks, airplanes, buildings, monuments, factories, canals, dams and many things are there which are made by man. A dam is a barrier built across a river to stop or check the flow of the water. Dam is a barrier built across the river. It is made to stop the flow of the water or to check the flow of the water. Dams are built to store the water. Dams are also built to store the water. Flooding can also be prevented by building dams. When it is raining too much, when the flood comes, dams do what? They stop the flow of the water and they prevent flooding. A bridge is a structure built across a river, road or railway tracks so that people can go from one side to another side. Bridges and other structures are built from iron and steel. A factory is a building or a group of buildings where the things are manufactured. What is a factory? Factory is a building or group of buildings where many things are produced. A garden is a piece of ground where flowers and vegetables are grown. So this is what we learnt in our previous class. It was just a revision today. Now I told you to go outside of your house and observe things, and you need to observe and check which are natural resources and which are man-made things. So we will talk about this whenever we meet in class. So now let's move to the question hour, that is, see here, cross out the odd ones. Cross out the odd ones means there are 4 words, 3 are similar, 1 is odd. So we have already written the answer here. River, skyscraper, mountain and ocean. So why is skyscraper odd one? Because skyscraper is man-made thing, whereas river is natural resources, fountain, ocean, these 3 are produced by what? Nature. Skyscraper is a man-made thing. Now dams, bridges, hills and gardens. Now dams, man-made thing, bridges, man-made things, gardens, man-made things, hills, you can find it in nature. Okay, so it is already there in the nature, it is not made by any man. So this is odd here. Now fill in the blanks. Dash resources are found in or produced by nature. Natural resources are found in or are produced by nature. A dash helps people to go from one place to one side to another side. Bridge, it helps people to go from one side to another side, other side. A factory is a place where things are manufactured. Where are things manufactured? Factory is a place where things are manufactured. Okay. Now next, answer the following questions. What do we get from forest? We get trees from forest. What do we get from the oceans and seas? We get seafood from oceans and seas. What are dams? Dams are barriers built across a river to stop or check the flow of the water. What are forests? Factories are built. The question was, what are factories? Factories are building or group of buildings where things are manufactured. The last one is, what are natural resources? Natural resources are resources found in or produced by nature. Natural resources are resources which are found in or produced by nature. Okay. So let's see what is there on this page. There is a small poem. My earth, my duty. Now listen to this. Let us pledge that we will not waste food, take only how much we can eat. 30% of all food is thrown away. Not waste water, do not let it run while we brush our teeth. Do not let it run while we brush our teeth. Do not waste electricity, turn off lights and appliances when we don't need them. Go green, opt for carpooling and public transportation. Prevent waste of useful materials by processing them into new products. Reuse and recycle as much as possible. Use cloth bags, reusable cups, non-plastic bottles, etc. Old newspaper can be recycled to make more paper. Glass bottles can be used again. Cans and scrap materials can be melted and metal can be used again. Why search for a solution? To stop pollution, plant more trees, to enjoy a lovely breeze, to purify the air and more plants, plant more trees. So kids, now we have learned here about natural resources. So there are some natural resources which we are polluting day by day. So what are the things we can do to protect our environment? Here are some things. So today let us take a pledge. चलो आज कसम खाते हैं कि कुछ चीज़ें नहीं करेंगे और कुछ बुरी चीज़ें नहीं करेंगे, कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें करेंगे. For example, let us pledge that we will not waste food. हम ये प्रतिज्ञा करते हैं कि हम कभी खाना वेस्ट नहीं करेंगे. The food that we eat, we will not waste it. Sometimes what you do, you leave some of the food in your plate. आप क्या करते हैं, कभी कभी आपके प्लेट में कुछ खाना छोड़ देते हैं. थोड़ी सी चपाती छोड़ दी, थोड़ा सा राइस छोड़ दिया. You should not do that. You should never leave food in your plate. You should finish all your food. So let us take the pledge that we will not waste food. Take only how much we can eat. So आपको जब भी खाना खाना है उतना ही लीजिए जितना आप खा सकते हैं. Because 30% of the food is thrown away. Let us pledge that we will not waste water. Do not let it run while we brush our teeth. So we should not waste water. हमें पानी को ज़ाया नहीं करना है, वेस्ट नहीं करना है. So whenever you are brushing your teeth, you should not let water run. You should Save water as much as possible. Let us pledge that we will not waste electricity. Turn off lights and appliances when we don't need them. So use electricity only when you need it. Use lights only when you need it. Okay? Use appliances only when you need them. Don't keep them on unnecessary. So what you need to do, you need to save electricity. Don't waste electricity. Go green means opt for carpooling and public transportation. Suppose अगर आपका काम बस से जाकर या कारपूलिंग से हो सकता है, किसी से कार शेयर करके हो सकता है, so go for that. Don't always use your car. Okay? Then prevent waste of useful materials by processing them into new product. Reuse and recycle as much as possible. Use cloth bag, reusable cups and non-plastic bottles. So what we need to do, if we have things that we can reuse them, we need to reuse those products. We should not simply throw them away. Reuse and recycle as much as possible. Use cloth bags. Don't use plastic bags. Reusable cups and non-plastic bottles. Old newspaper can be recycled to make more paper. So sometimes what they do, they take old newspapers and make them into new paper. Glass bottles can be used again. Cans and scrap materials can be melted and metal can be used again. Why search for a solution to stop pollution? Plant more trees to enjoy the lovely breeze. To purify air, plant more trees. So this is most important thing. We need to plant more trees to get some lovely breeze and to get some pure air. Okay? So this is all about our lesson called our resources. In our next class, we will learn a new lesson. So here is an activity. I will try to share a video regarding this. So what you need to do now, you need to read this lesson and you need to write down this exercise in your textbook and notebook, and you need to read this one. Okay? So see you in the next class. Till then, take care.